guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika and today I will be teaching you how to do quilling typography. Basically, in quilling typography, you use paper strips or quilling strips and try and design letters out of it. You play with lot of designs and colors and make words out of it. It makes for a beautiful piece of art and we can use it for gifting purposes and for making cards. So today I'm going to be doing letter R. You can use whatever letters or words you want. And a quick little disclaimer before we begin, it is a bit time consuming but the end results are awesome. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh. Start off by making a rough sketch with pencil of whatever letter or words you want. Then take a white quilling strip. Make sure it's thick enough to stand like so and stick it on the boundaries of that letter using a glue or a fevicol. Next, if you want, you can draw rough sketches of whatever designs or floral formations you want to make. To make different designs or formations, you just simply have to roll a quilling strip, loosen it a bit, and then with the help of your fingers, press it to make whatever shape you like. After you're done making the desired shape, stick it on the edges of your letter with the help of a glue stick or a fevicol. There are many methods to roll a quilling strip. The first method is by using your fingers. Basically, you simply have to roll the quilling strip with your fingers and press it to get the desired shape. For the second method, you can simply use a quilling needle to make your desired shape. You can get this quilling needle at a local stationery store for ₹10 or ₹20. It definitely makes rolling a quilling strip a lot easier and faster. Choose your color palette. I wanted to make mine as colorful as possible, so I've used a lot of colors. You can pick a color and work with its shades if you want to. For those of you who don't know how to get the desired shape, first of all, roll a quilling strip with the help of your fingers or quilling tool. Then release it and press it in between your fingers to get the desired shape. At the end, secure it by sticking it with a fevicol. After you are done making the shape you want, stick it on the edges of your letter with the help of a glue stick or a fevicol. I chose this flower design and sticked it. Similarly, I played with different leaf designs and made these beautiful formations and sticked it. Basically, you just have to play with different kinds of shapes, colors and designs and stick them on the edges of the letter so that the space left out in the middle is nothing else but the letter you want. Make sure you fill in both the inner sides as well as outer sides of the letter. Use your quilling tool or any sharp object to align your designs like so. Make sure to color contrast when you are playing with a lot of colors. Make sure there are no empty spaces left between the white strip and your design. If there are any, then fill it. Here's a quick way on how to make a flower petal containing two different colors. Basically, I just joined the two colors I wanted with the fevicol and rolled it to form the desired shape. Similarly, make different formations by using different colors, different shapes, different sizes, and stick them around the edges of the letter to make different patterns. Make sure you make different patterns to bring variety to your piece of art. A quick little tip here. Place the quilt strips before sticking them to be sure of how you want your artwork to look like. After you're sure, stick them. You can use any sharp object like sharpened pencil or a quilling tool to align your shapes. If you want, you can also make a different kind of design by quilling only half of the quilling strip and sticking it. By using this, you can fill up a lot of space easily. Here's how you can make a different kind of design. Just take a quilling strip and quill it once or twice, leaving out an inch of gap every time. I did the same thing with bunch of colors and stick them. And there you go. You get a beautiful piece of art, and as I said before, you can frame it and use it as a piece of decor in your house or use it for gifting purposes as a card. that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I said before, you can frame it and use it as a piece of decor in your house, or you can use it for gifting purposes or in cards as well. And yeah, that's it. It makes for an awesome piece of art. And if you like this video, then please like, share, comment down below what you think about this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.